Hala dağıttılar o bizler.
In a tragic incident, Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi, renowned for his hardline stance and close association with Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, passed away at the age of 63. Raisi's death occurred in a helicopter crash in mountainous terrain near the Azerbaijan border, officials and state media confirmed on Monday. Raisi, 63, left a controversial legacy marked by his involvement in the 1988 mass executions and Iran's aggressive nuclear and military policies. Additionally, he led Iran as it conducted a significant drone and missile strike against Israel. The tragic helicopter crash that claimed the life of President Raisi has sent shockwaves through Iran, stirring widespread speculation and prompting thorough investigation into the incident's circumstances. As the nation grieves its leader's untimely death, a cloud of uncertainty looms, with potential ramifications for the broader Middle East region. The passing of President Raisi not only sets the stage for a potentially intense power struggle within Iran, but also carries significant ramifications for the wider Middle East. Against a backdrop of mounting tensions and ongoing conflicts, the abrupt void left by Raisi's demise could upset the intricate balance of power both domestically and regionally. While initial reports attribute the helicopter crash to adverse weather conditions, including heavy rain and fog impairing visibility, speculation swirls regarding alternative explanations. Given Raisi's polarizing leadership and myriad internal and external challenges confronting Iran, conjecture has arisen regarding the potential involvement of domestic adversaries or even external entities such as Israel. So the question is, could Israel possibly be involved in the tragic death of Raisi? Amidst historical animosity between Iran and Israel, speculation has emerged among some Iranians regarding Israel's potential involvement in the tragic helicopter crash, as reported by The Economist. This theory gains momentum against the backdrop of recent escalations, including Israel's targeted assassination of an Iranian general in Damascus and Iran's subsequent retaliatory missile strikes. The Mossad, Israel's renowned intelligence agency, is no stranger to operations against Iranian interests, although it has never been known to target a head of state. Nevertheless, experts are skeptical of this theory. They argue that assassinating a sitting president would constitute a direct act of war, likely provoking a severe retaliation from Iran. Israel's strategic priorities have traditionally focused on military and nuclear targets rather than high-profile political assassinations. However, the timing of the helicopter crash exacerbates regional tensions. Iran's extensive network of proxies across Lebanon, Syria, Iraq, and Yemen further complicates the geopolitical landscape, especially amidst the ongoing conflict between Israel and Hamas. As Iran mourns its president Ibrahim Raisi, Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Abdollahian, and other officials killed in a helicopter crash, the world will be closely watching the aftermath and the implications on geopolitical equations.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.